Hey, it's Bill Hart with Immaculate Paint Protection. I'm standing in front of the wheel and tire wash kit. So what we have here is we have everything that you need, all the tools, all the chemicals to wash your wheels and tires the safe and effective way. So we have here, first thing we got is we have a nice rolling Dolly for the bucket. Nice big casters, 5-gallon bucket. Has the gamma lid, so when we're all done, we can put this on, put all our tools, chemicals back in here, so it stays nice and dry and clean. Nice thing here is we have a grit guard, so the grit guard is going to separate any of the dirt in the bottom. And the nice point is the washboard here to wash our tools off against as we're using it. For the tools, we have a Boars hair brush here, so this is a super soft, really just nice brush. So it's soft, nice soft Boars hair brush. They're not going to scratch or damage those expensive rims or wheels that you have. We have a nice brush here to get inside the fender wells to clean. We also have a dedicated brush to go in and clean inside the barrels. So behind the rim faces, behind the wheel faces, that's going to be the pro tip right there. That's going to make the vehicle just look great. A real nice, another Boars hair brush. So this is to go in and clean the lug nuts. How many people clean the lug nuts? Well, you will. Clean the lug nuts, get those tight nooks and crannies that never get clean on your rim. That's what you're going to use to clean that. Then we have a nice stiff bristle brush to clean the tires. Then we have a real nice set of microfiber towels that are available. So we use black because black looks cool, but then they're dedicated to drying the wheels, maybe even in the door jambs. The thing is, you don't want to use those towels on the rest of the body where you could damage the rest of your paint. The thing we're going to use here, Gyeon wheel cleaner, excellent top of the line wheel cleaner we recommend. Gyeon tire cleaner, get that black tire really black. And then to top it all off when we're all done, hit it with Gyeon applicator pad and Gyeon tire to make the tire just pop. If you want to see the right way to wash your wheels and your tires, check us out. We got the pro tips, we got the videos at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com.